Hi beautiful people, thank you for joining me today. Welcome to this 5-minute daily practice for healthy glow, balanced hormones and all-day energy. This simple daily practice combines gentle core activation, deep breathing and grounding movement to boost circulation, reduce stress and energize every cell. So let's get into it. First, we're gonna go to all fours here and we're gonna start with the spinal flexes. Having a flexible spine, especially for women, is extremely important. This is a sign of longevity and also it's anti-aging. In yoga philosophy, you are as young as your spine is flexible. So keeping the spine mobile maintains youthful posture, slows physical aging and supports long-term mobility. Now we're moving on to full circular movements here. And go with the pace that is comfortable for you. And when you go to the front, we breathe in. When we go to the back, we breathe out. Moving on into all fours here, and we are lifting the opposite leg and hand at the same time, and we're taking a pause when they're in the air. This allows us to really strengthen that core and improve our posture as well. And here with this movement, we are not only improving our physical body, but we are also supporting the hormonal and our digestive health. So a strong active core stimulates internal organs and especially our metabolic health. The same opposite leg and hand in and out, taking it a step further in our practice today. And again, find your own rhythm and just enjoy this. We're finishing off our morning practice with some more cat-cow stretches here, and we're just really getting as deep into that stretch as possible. Reducing any neck, shoulder, back tension. We are just fully letting that prana, that beautiful life force energy move from the lower spine to all the way to our crown chakra on top of our head. So deep breaths here and just allow that energy to rise in your body. Very good. Now go into the downward dog. Stretch yourself here. Very good. And now come all the way back up, and I wish you a beautiful, magnificent day. Bye.